Where are the tags at?
So I went to the bathroom. I used the bathroom, and I needed this for the weekend because I'm going to
where are the tags?
bathroom. Yes, and they're not there. I just came to drop off a dog for a sick woman. That's what I do. That's literally what I do. Yeah.
Why would you take the tags off? You don't have to answer that question.
On November 11th, 2025, Austin police responded to a retail theft at Austin Bergstrom International Airport involving merchandise valued at $1,130. This case presents a critical question. Can genuine mistake of fact negate criminal intent in a theft prosecution?
Hi, what's going on? I'm going back to my store, but she just walked out of the store. He's going to let her pay for it, but she literally stole both of those bags from him while he was helping another customer. I was just coming into work, and he told me about it, so I said, I'll help you look, because he's going to lose his job. That's over $1,000 worth of bags. Okay. Now she said she's going to pay for it because she thought she could just walk out and they would charge her fine. I'm sorry. I'm going to go back to my store. I'm sure it's not I need to come down to your creditors.
I will go talk to him.
Thank you.
You're in that
room.
That's why I got it.
I can show you on camera right now if you want. Yeah, so that roller is like 700 something bucks, and the backpack itself is like 450 something bucks. She was trying to say that she thought this was one of, like, you know how like Amazon has stores where you can like grab stuff and walk out and they charge it to your account. She's saying it was like that, but like the video that she just got, you can tell she walks up, grabs it, she steps over here like looking, and she's looking, and then she walks and hides right there for a second, and then she just walks out that way.
I was trying to walk out. I mean, I was sitting on my table.
Okay. I'll wait for him because I know he's getting the same video that you got.
Yeah.
So.
And he was busy. That's why I walked. There's places that you walk in and out, and I thought it was a scam as you walk out. I wasn't trying to live without it. I said on my gate, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm willing to pay for it. And I apologized to him. He said he could lose his job, and I feel really bad. I really do. And I did not switch tags. I have my bag over there. I didn't do anything to misguide. Look, I was just sitting on my gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I just came from work, honestly, and I'm going on a trip on Friday, so I needed a bag. I saw it, it was busy, and I thought it was like a thing that you can, I mean, most stores in any other airport, I travel a lot. You can walk in and out, and they scan as you walk out.
Okay.
In Minnesota, they're doing it like all over, and it's my bad. I didn't even look. I need it for the weekend. That's when I'm like was trying to buy it.
Okay. Well, give me just a second. Let me talk to him, and then we'll figure out.
Yeah,
if you want to go back
I
home.
feel really bad. I really do feel bad.
Have we got her information yet?
Yeah, I got her ID. So she's out of Minnesota.
Yes. So what I was saying is that in Minnesota, I'm so sorry.
I'm not interested in the story. Where are the tags at? To the
So I went to the bathroom. I used the bathroom, and I needed this for the weekend.
Where are the tags?
Bathroom. And I went back.
Can you go get the tags?
Yes, and they're not there.
Okay.
It's all the bathroom factory.
Okay. All right.
I did look.
The possibility is that if she does purchase it, he's fine with it.
So there's that. Okay.
That is an option. But if you can't,
swear to God. Sorry.
but if you can't find the proper tags for that, then
Can they run the other ones that are like the same? I mean, there's like, I looked at the colors.
it'll be up to him. It'll be up to him if he can do. I don't know if they can do that or not.
Okay. Because there is other. I mean, I looked at the colors. I was trying. I looked at the colors and I said I like burgundy, and that's.
But I don't know what that does to their inventory. So if he brings up a black one, it might reduce their inventory by one.
Okay.
So you taking that one and the tag's not being with it anymore now is causing a problem with their inventory. So he's going to see what he can do to try to fix that. If not, then he's not going to.
So you went back to look at. When did you go back to look for the tags?
Just now, she let me go.
Oh.
Just now, and I left my bag here. And I said, I went to the bathroom from here to the bathroom and then to the gate. Actually, I went to the lounge. and then to the gate. So they clean out the bathrooms.
Okay.
Can I tell my gate that I'm late, or am I gonna miss my flight? You think?
You just get. I mean, normally, if it's a 2:10.
Well, that we
boarding.
have 2:50. Yeah, 2:50.
Right.
I have time. I think I have a couple.
I mean, it just depends on where's your gate at. Which gate would?
Right here, like 10.
She's out of state, so we can't give her a citation.
I mean, I swear, I promise.
It's like 4.
Oh yeah.
So that's-
He said that's not even the airport price. He says they're normally that expensive, which
Yeah,
I've
they
never
are.
seen.
They are. I mean, I'm buying it because I'm going on a trip with my family, and it's my 50th birthday.
Where's your family at? Are they here?
In Minnesota.
Oh,
I
they're-
came for work.
Okay.
So I was buying it to go on a trip to Mexico and Minnesota.
I can't find the tag, but I can't read it.
Okay.
Can you run another color?
No,
What's up, my sister?
right. It's gonna mess up. His
I mean, I could have just not come back and took my bag and leave, but I'm not trying to do that. I just no. Like when you let me go to the bathroom, I could have just leave. I'm not trying to do anything stupid. I promise.
Okay.
I came for work.
On his
Under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03, theft requires unlawful appropriation of property with intent to deprive the owner. The prosecution must prove both the physical act and the criminal mental state. Officers began with proper investigative procedure, reviewing surveillance footage before confronting the suspect. This methodical approach satisfied the reasonable suspicion standard established in Terry versus Ohio. The suspect claimed she believed the store operated like Amazon Go, where customers walk out and are charged automatically. Texas law recognizes mistake of fact as a defense, but only when the mistake is reasonable. The critical evidentiary issue: price tags had been removed from both items. Under retail theft prosecution standards, tag removal creates a strong inference of criminal intent. Legitimate customers do not remove tags before completing purchase. This physical evidence directly contradicts the suspect's claimed belief in automated checkout. Officers demonstrated proper constitutional compliance. Miranda warnings are required only during custodial interrogation, as established in Miranda versus Arizona. The Supreme Court clarified in Berkemer versus McCarty that investigative questioning during detention does not always require Miranda warnings. Officers correctly assessed when the suspect transitioned from detention to custody. When questioning became potentially incriminating, a second officer properly advised the suspect of her right not to answer. This shows respect for Fifth Amendment protections. The officer made an important factual rebuttal. Amazon Go stores require app-based entry verification. The suspect did not use any card or app to enter this store, undermining her defense.
he has to do something with his inventory
Yeah.
that he, without having the tags,
Yeah.
there's nothing he can do.
Yeah.
So, in that case,
I have these,
that option's off the
and
table.
I also have
Like,
like
can I
these
just
that
buy
are
another
plug-in, but
color?
they're
I mean, it's
also-
the same exact thing. So what is the?
You're under arrest.
Oh. So I cannot just pay for it. I swear
He
to God.
can't mess up his system. He doesn't have another wine backpack back there, so there's no other choice. We can't even cite because you're not from here, and it's Class A misdemeanor, so you're gonna have to go to jail.
Can I just buy a black one
He
instead?
can't mess up his inventory. Like I said, I mean,
Can I call the company? I mean, can I? I mean, it's not the same code. It's in the same.
different numbers, different items, but they have different
so do you have anybody on the
Can
line
we
with
look-
Delta right now?
Yeah, I have somebody online. Can we look in the bathroom, or maybe with the lady that
thought
cleaned the
you already-
bathrooms?
Well, I mean,
Can I go do that? Can we go do that?
there's going to be virtually impossible to track down which person cleaned out.
There is like right here. I promise. I swear
But
to
you
God.
said you already looked.
I look in the bathroom that I thought it was, but there was other bathrooms that were closed. We looked really quick.
I apologize. Like, you've already looked. You said that
There was one bathroom that hello? Yeah, so basically.
So she ripped the tags. The whole problem is because they were going to let her pay for it, but she ripped the tags off of the bathroom. They had to track her down in Delta. By the time they got her back here, they let her go look at the bathroom for the tags. He doesn't have another tag for the maroon one, so he can't scan a black one and sell it because it's going to mess up his inventory. So there's not much he can do.
Right.
So, and you do want to press charges now, correct? Okay.
Okay.
So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is.
So, can I call them and then can I buy the black one? Can I go to the bathroom again one more time?
No.
I'm so sorry. I swear this is like a total
Yeah,
misunderstanding.
we tried on our end as much as we
I
could.
am so sorry.
We have to wrap this up.
terrible.
We have we got some place to go.
I know.
Yeah.
So-
So
Okay.
you're gonna have to, if you want to go put your credit card out. First
Can I grab my bag over there?
I'll grab your bag.
So can you put me on the 650? Can I leave? Like after you check me in, can I leave
So
today?
you're going to jail, and then you have to talk to a magistrate, and you probably won't be out until tomorrow or the next day.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to Mexico on the 14th. Can we please work this out? Please.
Ma'am, there's nothing
I'm
we
going
can
to Mexico
do.
on the 14th, like,
Ma'am.
for my mom's birthday.
Look,
Okay, I understand. I
you
understand.
left without paying for it.
I swear to
I
God.
get it. Whatever the discrepancy is, but I need you to go ahead. I'm giving you. There we go.
I don't
So
even,
go and put your
it doesn't
phone-
even
go and
matter.
You want to take your satchel off? I'll put that
Can
on.
I just buy the black one? Can we look in the bathroom one more time,
No.
please?
Okay.
Please.
Go and take your satchel off, and go ahead and take your fanny pack off. I've still got your ID.
Can we please look in the bathroom one more
And there's no
time?
dog
Maybe
in
the
there or
ladies there, garbage is there.
Okay.
Can I dig into the
already
garbage
passed
in
it.
there?
You've already said you
No, I
looked
want
for
to,
it.
but I didn't look into the other garbage. Can I please?
Okay.
Well, take that
Go and
off.
take the satchel off.
Please, please.
You're under arrest right
You
now.
can leave this.
James, mind your
No.
back.
Are you here with someone?
No, I'm by myself. I came
Okay.
for work.
Okay.
I just came to drop off a dog for a sick woman. That's what I do. That's literally what I do. Can you go to the bathroom with me, please?
We definitely can't walk inside a woman's bathroom.
What? Say that again.
We can't walk inside of a woman's bathroom.
No, I will go in.
We
No.
can't do that.
I did not mean to do that. I swear to God. This is
We
horrible.
unfortunately, if we had the tags, we might be able to go a different route.
I wish I wouldn't take him out. I didn't want to walk around with
I
a
wish you didn't
tag.
I wish you didn't take the suitcase from the beginning.
I know. I should have asked. He was busy.
No, you should have
walked
bought
out.
it. Instead of asking, you should have just bought it.
I swear that there are so many stores in Minnesota. You walk out and they charge you.
I've been to those stores,
automatically.
but you also have to use your card to go inside the store.
Some of them, not all of them. No, I promise. I
Okay.
promise.
All right, we're gonna walk out to my car.
Have you stopped by the checkpoint having that,
That's
Daddy?
exactly what I'm
I
gonna
have
do.
to say,
my check. I got checkpoint 2 West. At
We got you
4.
covered.
Got it.
So whoever.
Don't worry about it. It's taken care of.
Just to check one more time.
I'm sorry, we're too far past.
It's too far? Okay. I have them on the for complex, I promise.
Yes, ma'm. Well, I wish you would have paid for them to begin with,
I
but
thought I did.
and it's
I
just
promise.
unfortunate situation
I
that
thought I did.
Yeah.
I
Airport
totally
36.
thought I did.
60.
Thank you. Yeah.
I mean, I'm always at the airports. I know exactly how things work. I swear to God. It doesn't matter. Yes, it's too far like this. I could have hide. I mean, I could have done so many things if I was really trying.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to understand that, right? Like I could just do something like hide.
Well, what you did was commit theft. So
I swear to God, I thought it was like a check-in and
I
out.
hear what you're saying, but it would have been good to verify with somebody
I
that
should
that
have.
was the case.
I should have.
And by not doing that, this is
I
the
know.
situation that you're
No,
in now.
I understand.
So-
I understand. And when she let me go to the bathroom, I could have just not come back.
We're gonna have to go up and around. 'Cause I'm not gonna try to get her around.
Yeah.
So
You understand? She let me go.
we're gonna
and
walk this way on the
I
sidewalk.
could have just not come back because you weren't even there. I came back because I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm not saying you're guilty of
I
anything.
would have come
What
back.
I am saying is, sometimes if you would have believed that store was one of those stores you could just walk in and walk out,
Yeah.
why would you take the tags off? You don't have to answer that
Because
question.
it was-
No,
I didn't
you
wanna
don't-
walk
no, what
around
I'm saying
with
is,
a tag bag.
those are questions that the people inside the store asked me.
Yeah, I didn't want to walk.
I'm not asking you.
No, like, would you walk around with a bag with the tags on it? I don't.
I'm not asking you that.
Oh,
I'm just telling you
okay.
what they said.
Oh,
to you.
I understand. No, it's not even. I'm not questioning their. I'm not questioning their thought process. I can see why they think I did it.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I can see. I'm not
Yeah.
even trying to blame them. I mean, they're doing the
This-
job.
your phone?
I feel terrible. I feel terrible that he could have lost his job.
Actually, he wanted to help you out. If he had the tags, he would have
I
helped you out.
swear to God,
Yeah.
I feel so bad that he would have lost his job
Yeah,
over this.
he would have.
I give people jobs. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is happening, but you know what?
I have an
There's a
idea why
reason
it's happening. I have an idea why it's happening.
Why?
Because you walked out the store without paying for the bag.
No, I understand that. I did not mean to do that.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know why God is doing this to me right now. But I'm just gonna take it. It is
Yeah,
what it
it's
is.
not the crime of the
I
century.
swear to God, I did not try to walk out with a bag.
Right.
I did not. Like I said, I have the money. I can show you my my bank account. It's not like I don't have the money. I do
Well,
have
it's just
it.
unfortunate you couldn't have paid for it when you had the chance.
I swear to God, I thought I did. I swear to God, I thought I did.
You want to have a seat in there?
Texas courts apply a reasonableness standard to mistake of fact defenses. Would a reasonable person assume a traditional retail store uses automated checkout without signage, technology, or verification? The suspect's failure to verify her assumption with available store employees further weakens her defense. A reasonable person with genuine uncertainty would ask questions before walking out with merchandise. Offers to pay after being caught do not negate earlier criminal intent. The law focuses on the defendant's state of mind at the time of appropriation, not subsequent willingness to remedy the situation. Based on the evidence presented, the Austin Police Department officers receive a grade of A-. They conducted a professional, by-the-book investigation with constitutional compliance and appropriate tactical approach. The only minor deduction, the officer's statement that he was not interested in the suspect's story, could have been phrased more diplomatically, though it did not affect the legal outcome. The suspect receives a grade of D+. While she remained cooperative and nonviolent, the objective evidence strongly suggests criminal intent rather than honest mistake. The removed price tags, failure to verify assumptions, and implausibility of her explanation all undermine the mistake of fact defense. However, she receives credit for cooperation and expressed remorse. The store employee receives a grade of B+ for prompt reporting, clear witness testimony, and willingness to accept payment if proper documentation could be found. Key lessons from this case. First, criminal intent can be proven through circumstantial evidence. Physical actions like tag removal speak louder than verbal explanations. Second, mistake of fact defenses require reasonableness. Courts will not accept implausible explanations that contradict common sense and available evidence. Third, constitutional protections apply throughout police encounters. Officers must recognize when questioning transitions from investigative to potentially incriminating. Fourth, offers to remedy theft after being caught do not erase criminal liability. The critical moment is the initial taking, not subsequent actions. Finally, professionalism matters. Officers who maintain calm, respectful demeanor while enforcing the law protect both suspect rights and public safety, demonstrating that effective law enforcement and constitutional compliance are not mutually exclusive. This case illustrates the complexity of proving criminal intent while respecting constitutional protections. The evidence-based investigation resulted in appropriate charges. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law. If you found this analysis valuable, please like and subscribe to support our continued coverage of these important legal issues.